Hi, this is Dave Harvey with Windsmart. Today, I'd like to give you a brief overview of the Windsmart system. Vented roof assemblies were originated in the early 1990s when appropriately applied and installed on commercial buildings. Contractors and owners like the unique features of a vented roof assembly, and most become repeat customers. But for a variety of reasons, vented roofs never gained broad acceptance by major roofing system manufacturers. Windsmart has been involved in the successful application of 1,200 vented roof systems spanning multiple regions of the country. And now, highly respected industry leaders such as Johns Manville and Sika Sarnafil have tested and are offering and warranting the Windsmart system. Let's talk about key fundamentals of vented roof systems. All vented roof systems require three basic components to function properly: air barriers, air seals, and vents. The purpose of an air barrier is to stop internal air movement from inside the building from entering into the vented roof system. Air barriers are good practice in roof construction. In a vented roof, it is common to use the existing roof to create an air barrier. But the air barrier could also be an underlying part of the roof assembly, such as a monolithic deck. The purpose of an air seal is to stop external air movement from moving into the vented roof system. Simple air seals are created at the perimeter and the penetrations. Air seals should always be installed into the structure of the building. With the first two fundamentals in place, both internal and external air cannot get into the vented roof assembly. The roof assembly is sealed into a vacuum. And now, the final component are vents. There are two types of vents you will find in the marketplace: those that equalize pressure and those that must create pressure. The Windsmart Vent is a pressure equalization device. The Windsmart vents are located in the corners and the perimeter of a building, the high wind uplift zones. They simply equalize the pressure in these zones, and because pressure moves from high to low, the air from the field of the roof is pulled to the perimeter and expelled out the pressure equalization vent. The Windsmart equalization vent was specifically designed for vented roof applications. The Windsmart vent has been optimized. It can achieve 2 times the airflow of any pressure equalization vent in the marketplace. That's critical for achieving higher wind uplift transfer and pressure equalization. It also gives Windsmart an edge in the ability to remove entrapped moisture. The vent is modular in design, impact resistant, patented, UL classified, and made in America. The Windsmart pressure equalization vent has also gone through rigorous third-party testing. Wind uplift ratings are based on the pounds per square foot of wind uplift resistance, or PSF. On a wood deck, the Windsmart vent achieved a 210 PSF. On a metal deck, 285. And on a concrete deck, 495 PSF. These are the highest wind uplift ratings and certifications of any vented roof system available in the marketplace. You can find all of these classifications at the Windsmart website, or you can go to ul.com and put in the Windsmart classification to view these tests. There are many opportunities for the Windsmart vented roof system. Customers who value sustainability will like the system, and building owners who want to minimize all disruptions when their building is being re-roofed will appreciate the Windsmart system. Those buildings that are located in high wind uplift zones, such as coastal areas, will appreciate the system's capabilities. But some of the very best opportunities are on large, open roofs and on buildings with difficult to fasten to decks. Windsmart is committed to being the recognized market leader in vented roof assemblies across North America. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact Windsmart or visit us at our website.